हरिः कर्ता।
Jupyter Notebook. Yep, here it is for a paradigm of analytics. So as soon as you got the historical data, so what you're gonna do initially, you're gonna do some analysis. What you will get is descriptive analytics. You will understand if it is a sales data. For example, let's take a doctor example. So you are the patient and you went to the doctor. So as soon as you go to the doctor, so the doctor will ask you the historical conditions of you. So what had happened uh, in last 1 week. So whether you felt headache, stomach pain, and what all of pains you have felt, and what was the condition yesterday, what have you had, what food you had. So this is what first collecting the historical data. So once a doctor collects the historical data, then he will do the analysis. And this is called descriptive analysis, descriptive analytics. Once descriptive analytics is done, so he will find out some of the causes to so once he has done some descriptive analytics, okay, so you had done this, you had it, uh, you had this food and this much of, and he will check the temperatures, present temperature, yesterday temperatures, and he will check out the blood pressure. So these are some of the variables he will check out. So once he gets all the values, and he will check, okay, this is what the blood pressure, this is what the temperature, this is what the food you had before. So he will keep all things at one place. This is your descriptive analytics. The one first step is done. Then once this is done, now he will go to the diagnostic analytics. Here what he's gonna do, he's gonna do is, so based on the descriptive analytics, based on the descriptive analysis, or based on the results of descriptive analysis, based on the results of descriptive analysis, okay, he will take the results of the descriptive analysis. It's nothing but a pattern. He will match some patterns or some trends. Okay, if your blood pressure is this much and temperature is this much, you had this kind of food and you are having a loose motions, so this could be the reason. So first reason could be the loose motions, and second, this is issue, finding out the problem. Okay, then second one is, these are the problems you are facing, so now he has to dig it using these trends, finding out what is the issue, what is the root cause of it, what is the root cause of it. So he will find out, okay, so he will check the patterns, he will just drill it, okay, yesterday what you had, a day before yesterday what you had. So because of that, okay, the loose motions, the reason for the loose motions are maybe the food you had, the food you had on yesterday night. That's the root cause. This is what is called a diagnostic this is what is called a diagnostic analytics. Let me put it here, diagnostic analytics. And this one is a descriptive analytics. And once a diagnosis is done, then we can go for the predictive analytics. predictive analytics, he will take both the data, so descriptive analytics, descriptive analysis, and then diagnostic analysis data, and then he will build, if not he, a data analyst builds, he will build a data analyst build a model, and that model is gonna predict the type of disease, a type of a problem type of problem he will get if if he had if he has a certain type of, if he has, just let me put it in this three variables. First one, if he has certain type of food, and two, if his temperature is based on his temperature, and third based on is BP, so blood pressure. So that's it, that's our predictive analytics. And once the predictive analytics is done, then we will go for the prescriptive analytics. So prescriptive analytics is straightforward. Again, that guy, he will suggest, after going through all those things, after doing descriptive analytics and after doing the diagnostic analytics, what the doctors, the goal of prescriptive analytics, or what doctor is gonna do is he will provide an actionable recommendations that can be used to optimize outcomes and achieve specific goals. Basically, the doctor will recommend some, he will recommend maybe uh, pills and injection, and that moment, this is for immediate basis, and some pills, or doctor will recommend certain type of food certain type of food and certain type of healthy habits to protect you, or to prevent that to happen again. Same thing in business also. After prescriptive analytics, the goal is to provide actionable recommendations that can be used to optimize outcomes and achieve a specific goals. So these are the four paradigms of analytics. And so the four-dimensional paradigm of analytics provides a framework for understanding the different stages of the analytics process and the different types of insights that can be gained from data analysis. It emphasizes the importance of moving beyond descriptive analytics to more advanced forms of analysis in order to achieve greater value and impact from data.